Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Before we move to the candlestick pattern that what we discussed in the last video, let us see the charts and different charts that are available for trading terminal. We will analyze important charts that are going to use for trading and investing purpose for especially on technical analysis. These are the important charts that what underlined, and there are other charts too but less use. Candlestick charts, bar charts, color bar, line, vertex line, step, mountain, baseline, halo candles, volume candles, colored. There are a lot of charts, and we use only the ones that are underlined, Heikin-Ashi and Renko charts. Let us see one by one. These are the Japanese candlestick charts, and globally almost 90%, I can say, 80 to 90% trading fraternity use this candlestick chart, and most of the trading professionals mind read this chart, and based on that they'll take the trades and investing purpose. These are the bar charts, which was bit outdated now. Earlier, these bar charts are widely used. This line represents the candle size, and the left side thing the price opens, and the downside thing is the low made, top side on the top made, and then right side is the price closed. Bit tricky on this where we can't draw support and resistance lines on this or even trend lines. So now bar charts are become little outdated, and very less trading fraternity uses this. This is a line chart. Line charts are mainly used for drawing support and resistance lines. These line charts are based on only open and closed basis. In this chart we don't have the low and high made. This chart created based on open and close of each candle. Volume candle. Of late this becoming, I have seen some of the strategies based on this, but volume charts represent each candle again that represented traded volume. If you see this small one here, very less quantity traded, hence this is a small candle, and this is a big bullish candle where there was a huge trading volume in it. Similarly, if you see this big red candle here, lot of sell positions happened, hence this becoming red. This again little tough to understand, and tough to even make the strategies on this. Very less trading fraternity uses this, but of late I have seen few strategies on this as well. Lot of people are watching my videos. My humble request, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also like my videos. Thank you. And Heikin-Ashi candlestick chart. This is one of the popular chart pattern, easily understandable, where there won't be any tension. In this chart only there are three candles in it. One is doji candle where less body and both sides wicks, and there will be one bullish candle where entire body filled with green and there will be a top wick, and there is a bearish candle, entire body is red, and there is a wick on the bottom. Only these three candles based on this Heikin-Ashi chart forms. So this is important thing where we can make successful strategies based on this. This is again one of the chart pattern called Renko charts. This chart prints as a each rectangle called a brick. We can make these bricks with the point size. Say HDFC Bank fall 2 points, then one brick will form. It forms another 2 points, another brick form. The drawback here is that if HDFC Banks drops 2 points plus 2 points, 4 points, and again it gains 4 points, then these two bricks will be vanishing. So little tough to trade on this, because if you see the chart pattern or candlestick pattern, based on that if you take trade here, and all of a sudden, HDFC bank make 4 points, then these two candles will vanish and we can see only this candle. So this is little tough. Let us see this in the chart now. This is, I use zero the trading terminal, and I hope a lot of people are using this, and most of the trading terminal will have the same kind of a chart pattern. So you can see this is the candlestick pattern, and this is the bar chart pattern. Again, I'm just clicking only on the important thing, line chart pattern, line charts. This is the volume candle that what we discussed, and here is the Heikin-Ashi chart pattern. This is a bit easy, if you have a doji candle followed by a bullish candle, you can take a trade and you can write the trend till it you see the bearish candle, and you can close the trade here. Anywhere you will be forming similar kind of a chart pattern. And finally, what we discussed, the Renko chart pattern. Hope you understand how the chart patterns forms, and in this what we use mainly are candlestick pattern and Heikin-Ashi pattern. Very rarely we use the other things. Line chart sometimes we use to draw the support and resistance lines. Rest all we hardly use. So open your trading terminal, or else open any charts in investing.com or tradingview.com and start analyzing them, and mainly we'll be working on candlestick charts and also Heikin-Ashi charts. Rest all we are not going to use. We'll be working on candlestick pattern from starting from next video. There are a lot of candlestick patterns, like a single candlestick pattern, double candlestick pattern, triple candlestick pattern. If you understand candlestick pattern, you know where to enter, you will come to know where to exit. So there will be a lot of videos coming on all these candlestick pattern with examples and also entry and exit areas, so please concentrate on them. Finally, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and also like my videos. Thank you, and have a nice day.